My name is ATHIRAH BINTI RAMLI. I will explain the demonstration how to design the block diagram. So firstly, we need to click create project. Then next, we need to create a project name. So we choose embedded final. Then next, we will choose the RTL project. Then need to choose board. So we use Zynq-702 as our board. Then next is finish. So to create a block design, we need to click create block design. Then we need to add all the IP needed to design to make a door lock system, which is processing system, AXI interconnect, quad SPI, GPIO for reset button, PIR sensor, and so on. So for the BRAM is we need to add BRAM for store data. Then we click run automation. So we can organize it to make it more easy to read, easy to know which one the connections. Then after that, we need to change all the IP to the name, so we know that all the connection goes to what. So for example ASI GPIO 0 is for PIR sensor or reset button. So GPIO SM1 is for the reset button, SPI for fingerprint, GPIO 2 for reset button. So another GPIO is for the keypad. So we need to validate to make sure there's no error. So we found that it's at interconnect, it doesn't choose, so we need to validate again. So we need to create a HDR wrapper to run synthesis, implementation, and generate stream. For this one is to make sure the power clock is below or close to 1 watt. So this is our technique used. Then we add data width in BRAM to make sure the LUT is above than 50%. Then we need to generate bitstream. So as we can see that the LUT is above than 50, then the total on-chip power is close to 1 watt.
So next aspect in the project architecture. So what we expect is sustainability. For the first one, because it low power consumption, targeting close to 1 watt, aligns with energy efficient design principles. And next, because of the modular architecture, allows for future upgrades without extensive redesign. So the issue in this project architecture is, the first one is for the security. It is because multi-factor authentication using RFID, fingerprint and keypad are used. The next one is encrypted communication between the system and mobile application via Wi-Fi. The next issue is safety. The IR sensor ensures the system is aware of nearby motion, adding a layer of proactive monitoring. Next one is fail-safe mechanisms prevent unauthorized access during hardware or software malfunctions. The last one is reliability. The robust hardware designed with fault-tolerant features. It is also extensive testing under various environmental conditions ensure consistent performance.